Whakalawalahiatu. I'm back down at Preston Beach. I came down to look at another section, not far from the first one I looked at last week. I'm not that keen on this one that I looked at today because it's really low, and it's at the back of it there seems to be a lot of water settling from the rain. There are a lot of other new buildings going up along the same street and further up, which is a good sign, but yeah, I'm not that keen on where this section is located today. So I've jumped back on the website and I've found that the section that I came to look at last week is back on the market. So I've rung the agent and he's confirmed that it is back on the market because the deal that was on it, or the offer that was on it last week, fell over. So I've asked them to send me the link to make an offer on it. I've discussed the utilities that are available, like the water and the electricity, so that's all there. For internet I will have to install Starlink, and I would have to install a septic tanks as well. So yeah, that's all been discussed. Also, I informed him that I would be considering putting a modular home on there, which he said was fine. I would still need to go to the Shire of Waruna to confirm everything and to discuss things further with them and do my due diligence on the site and the area. So I've done all that today. Maybe tomorrow when the Shire is open, I will give them a call just to go over those things again. And I've just checked my phone and the link for the offer has been sent to me from the agent. So that's where I am at the moment. And like I said, I'm down at the beach now, and I'm just going to go for a walk down the beach. So please join me on a cold, wintry day down at Preston Beach. But it's a beautiful day. I'm loving it. Thank you for joining me on Preston Beach. As you can see, people have been down here today driving along the beach. As you can see from their tyre marks. I'm back in my car now after walking down to the beach in this weather, which was quite fun. So yeah, I thought I'd just give you a view of what the beach is like on a wet, cold winter's day. And yeah, I'm back in my car now, so yeah, I'm a little bit wet and cold, but I'm fine. I've quite enjoyed that little walk down to the beach, and yeah, I look forward to maybe doing something with this section. Thanks for tuning in and for watching my video, and yeah, please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.